the damages in a wrongful death case are strictly defined under the statute. There are certain claims, namely 3 types of claims that can be brought in a wrongful death action. The first type of claim is actually brought by the estate of the person that's been killed. The estate can only collect certain types of damages, which would include medical expenses that the deceased incurred before death. The deceased lost earnings over his or her natural work life, and other types of economic types of damages. The estate can also claim damages for any pre-death pain and suffering the deceased experienced before death. The other type of claim is brought by certain surviving family members, also called beneficiaries. And in those types of claims, that individual family member can actually claim damages for the loss of the relationship. The family member is usually going to be a surviving spouse or surviving child or stepchild, and that particular family member then can claim damages for the loss of their parent or their child in that situation.